Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tutorial. For all our returning viewers, it's great to have you back. In the world of hand embroidery, beaded borders add a touch of elegance and uniqueness to any project. Whether you're working on shawls, dress hems, handkerchiefs, sleeve edges, necklines, or saree borders, beaded embroidery can elevate your designs to the next level. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful beaded hand embroidery border design using the German knotted blanket stitch. It's a fantastic way to add texture and shine to your projects. For this project, you'll need linen fabric, pearl cotton thread in size 08, beads of your choice, milliner's needles. Gather your materials and let's get started. We'll be using the German knotted blanket stitch in this design. This stitch is a variation of the traditional blanket stitch, incorporating knots and beads to create a stunning decorative effect along the fabric edge. It's perfect for adding a playful yet sophisticated touch to your embroidery. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Secure knots. Always make sure your knots are secure before adding beads. This prevents beads from slipping off and ensures a neat finish. Thread conditioner. Use a thread conditioner like beeswax or silicone-based products to reduce tangling and make threading through beads smoother. Bead selection. Choose beads that complement your fabric and thread colors. Transparent or iridescent beads can add a subtle shimmer, while opaque beads provide a bold statement. Consistent bead size. Stick to beads of the same size to maintain a uniform look. Mixed sizes can work for creative designs but may affect the stitch tension. Using a beading needle. If you find it difficult to pass your milliner's needle through the beads, switch to a beading needle, which is thinner and designed specifically for beading. Spacing guide. Mark your fabric lightly with a heat erasable pen to guide your bead placement. This will help maintain even spacing along the entire border. Mind your tension. Keep a consistent thread tension throughout your stitching. Too tight and your fabric might pucker. Too loose and your beads may sag. Avoid overcrowding. Less is often more. Avoid overcrowding your beads, as this can overwhelm the design and make it look cluttered. Practice makes perfect. If you're new to beaded embroidery, practice on a scrap piece of fabric first. This helps you get comfortable with the stitch and bead placement before starting on your main project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who love embroidery. Your support means a lot to us and it helps our channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative and keep stitching. See you in the next video.